Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the various vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is credit analyst. And the qualification asked is graduation with MBA finance or PGDBA or PGDBM or MMS finance or CA, CMA or a CFA. Here the upper age limit is 35 years. There are total 55 vacancies and place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years experience in corporate or SME credit as an executive in supervisory or management role in scheduled commercial bank or public sector or listed financial institution. Here your per month pay scale will be 63,840 to 78,230. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 12th December. So just 2 days left. So do apply for this vacancy if you are eligible. Friends, before we move on further, just want to inform you at Finance MCQ there are various courses available on the Finance MCQ website. You can go and check these courses if you have applied for any of this examination, and if you apply the coupon code mentioned on the screen, you will get a flat ₹100 off on the course price. So give it a try. Check the courses on the Finance MCQ website. Friends, next vacancy is from National Highway Logistics Management Limited. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance, Strategy and Accounts. Here the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, CFA, PGDBM or MBA Finance. Here the upper age limit is 56 years as on 1st January 2022. So I don't know why they have mentioned 1st January 2022. I think it should be 2023. Name of vacancy is 2 and place of posting is all over India. It's a contractual post initially for 5 years which can be extended to 2 more years. Here your experience asked is 4 years, out of which 2 years should be in handling accounts, finance, etc. Here your preference will be given to debt raising or resource mobilization experience. Your pay scale will be level 8 pay scale in pay matrix of Government of India. Mode of application is offline. You have to send them an email at given email address by 31st December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Assistant Manager Finance, Strategy and Accounts. Rest are all details are same except the number of vacancies are 3, and again here the experience is not asked, just the preferable experience asked in handling in finance, accounts and debt raising. So if you are having this experience you can apply and your pay scale will be level 6 pay scale. Rest all details are same. Next vacancy is from IIM Amritsar. Here the name of post is Senior Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Upper age limit is 42 years. Number of vacancies is 1 and place of posting is in Punjab. It's a permanent vacancy, but you need to have 8 years of experience to apply for it. Here a package will be 12 lakh per annum. You have to apply online by 31st December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization, that is IIM Amritsar. Name of post is Junior Consultant Finance and Account. Qualification asked is same, CA or CMA. Age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy in Punjab. It's a contractual job. You need to have 4 years of experience and remuneration will be based on qualification and experience. You have to apply through online mode by 31st December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Coconut Development Board. Here the name of post is Auditor. Qualification asked is Master's degree in Commerce or CA Inter or CMA Inter. Upper age limit is 30 years. There is one vacancy and place of posting is in Kochi, Kerala. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 5 years of experience in audit work in government office or PSU or autonomous body. Here your package will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 9th Jan 2023. So there is one correction, it's Jan 2023. Next vacancy is from Aurangabad Cantonment Board. Name of post is Junior Clerk. Qualification asked is graduation with a government commercial certificate or computer typing of 40 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Marathi, Hindi and MS CIT certificate to be submitted within 6 months of joining. Here the age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 4 and place of posting is in Aurangabad. Nature of employment is permanent. no prior experience asked. Here your per month pay scale will be 19,900 to 63,200. You have to apply through offline mode by 6th January 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Center for Industrial Consultancy and Sponsored Research. Name of post is Junior Executive. Qualification asked is graduation. They have not mentioned the upper age limit. Number of vacancies 1 and place of posting is in Chennai. It's a contractual job. You need to have experience of 0 to 3 years experience, preferably in IP or academic project management. Here your per month pay scale will be 20,000 to 30,000. You have to apply through online mode by 24th December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from HLL Lifecare. Name of post is Accounts Officer or Junior Accounts Officer. Here the qualification asked is BCom with CA Inter, CMA Inter or MCom. Upper age limit is 37 years. Number of vacancies are 2 and place of posting is Thiruvananthapuram. Nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 3 years of experience for accounts officer and 1 year experience for junior accounts officer. Here your basic pay per month is 12,000 to 29,500 for accounts officer and 11,000 to 22,000 for junior accounts officer. Friends, these are just a basic pay. Apart from that, you will be paid other allowances of the companies also. Mode of application is through email. You have to send them your details at the given email address of the company. Next vacancy is from Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation Limited. Name of post is Accounts Executive Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA Inter, CMA Inter or MCom. Upper age limit is 36 years. Number of vacancies are 2 and place of posting is in Kerala. Here it's a contractual vacancy. You need to have 2 to 3 years of experience and 5 years for MCom candidates. Per month salary will be rupees 30,000. You have to apply through online mode by 21st December 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Here the name of post is Admin or Accounts Officer. Qualification asked is Bachelor's degree in Commerce or Business Management or Administration. Age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting is Bengaluru. Nature of employment is contractual and experience as per administrative or accounts assistant is desirable. Here per month salary will be 20,000. You have to apply through email at given mention email ID by 20th December 2022. Next vacancy is from Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. The name of post is Assistant Grade 1. The qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks along with English typing speed of 30 words per minute and certificate course on computer, that is your MS Windows operating system, MS Office, email management, etc. of minimum 6 months duration. Here upper age limit is 28 years. Number of vacancies are 24. Place of posting is in Gujarat. It's a permanent vacancy. You don't need to have any prior experience. Here your package per annum will be 5.4 lakhs. You have to apply through online mode by 5th January 2023. Friends, we have also made the separate video for this vacancy. If you want, you can check that video also. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that these vacancies might be useful. So thank you so much.